You know, whether it is that we won't hold the Indian flag or that let's take China's help in bringing 370 back, you know, that's not playing out well. It's not acceptable, and a large majority in the country thinks those comments are completely out of line. Sohail.
Well, Rahul, let me just respond to what Sambit said. You know, no matter how much they want to erase from public memory, the history remains as it is. I mean, whether he may like it or not, when accession happened, Jammu and Kashmir was a Muslim majority state, which was out of the purview of the Union of India, and it acceded to the secular democratic Union of India. Jammu and Kashmir, no matter what you do, that is the history, and you cannot change it. And there were certain, you know, understandings. Can you do away with the fact that this special status of Jammu and Kashmir came from the Parliament of India? It was not something that हवा में आ गया. उसी कमिटमेंट को आपने यूनिलैटरली यू डू अवे. एंड जहां तक आप डेमोक्रेसी की बात करते हैं, मैं फिर रिएटिरेट करता हूं, मैं आपकी डेफिनेशन से नहीं इसको ये करता हूं. सिर्फ मेजॉरिटेरियनिज्म डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है. आपने कल भी एक लॉ बनाया यहां के किसानों के खिलाफ. आपने देखा कि लोग कैसे सड़कों पे आ गए. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब ये नहीं है जस्ट आपके पास आंकड़ा आ गया तो आप किसी की बात ही नहीं सुनेंगे. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपकी पार्टी का जो मैनिफेस्टो है वो देश के संविधान से बड़ा हो जाएगा, जहां हर किसी को साथ लेके चलने की बात की गई है, जहां हर किसी के लिए स्कोप होना चाहिए. और जहां तक जम्मू कश्मीर का मसला है, आप तो खुद देखिए ना, जब जम्मू कश्मीर की बात आती है आप पाकिस्तान ले आते हैं, नेशनलिज्म लेके आते हैं. उसी जम्मू कश्मीर की आज बात हो रही है, जैसे पवन खेरा ने पहले बोला, आप चीन की बात करते हैं, आप बिहार के उन जवानों को शाबाशी देते हैं, जवानों को शाबाशी देते हैं कि उन्होंने जी जान से देश की रक्षा की. आप ये क्यों नहीं बताते कि हमारे 900 से ज्यादा स्क्वायर किलोमीटर जो वो खा गए वो हम नहीं ला पाए हैं. हमारी जो इनएक्शन है उसके बारे में हम कुछ नहीं करते. हम चाइना का नाम तक
both Rahul Gandhi and
Jammu Kashmir,
the PDP raising that question, Sambit Patra, of the Chinese army coming in allegedly usurping 1200 square kilometers of Indian land, and the allegation against the BJP and the Prime Minister is that the Prime Minister didn't even take the name of China while talking about the Galwan clashes. Sambit Patra.
See, first and foremost, to our PDP friend, let me tell him that as far as Article 370 is concerned, temporary and transient are the two words which are attached to which were attached to Article 370. So you know the meaning of temporary and transient. They can never be permanent. Number two, as far as China is
Supreme
concerned,
Court has said.
One second, Sohail Bukhari, Sambit Patra heard you in patience. Please listen to him as well.
Just a second, sir. See, as far as China is concerned, who said that 1200 square kilometers of our land has been taken in? Someone was saying 900 square kilometers right now. Who is the authority over here? For me, the authority is the Indian Army. The CDS and the Indian Army Chief both have said that not an inch has been taken. The Prime Minister of the country has spoken. The Defense Ministry of country has spoken on the floor of the Parliament. When all of them have spoken, who are these people to say that 1200 square kilometers have been taken? Is it to say that those 20 Bihar regiment Jawans who in fact sacrificed their life protecting the sovereignty and the security of this land, they did not fight well? Is this what Mr. Rahul Gandhi wants to suggest? That in fact the Bihar regiment could not protect the integrity of this country, and in fact those 20 Jawans from Bihar could not give a befitting reply to China? I would say, मैं तो कहना चाहता हूं कि बिहार के उन 20 जवानों ने अपनी शहादत दे दी, मगर उन्होंने देश की संप्रभुता और अखंडता को 1 इंच भी कम नहीं होने दिया. राहुल गांधी का यह कहना कि वो 20 जवान देश की संप्रभुता को बचा के नहीं रख पाए, कहीं ना कहीं ये राहुल गांधी द्वारा उन 20 जवानों के खिलाफ आवाज है. मैं बिहार की जनता को कहता हूं कि इसके लिए राहुल गांधी को वो कभी क्षमा ना करे.
But Rahul Gandhi didn't say that. He actually said that they've come in and let Pawan Khera respond. But you're making two different points.
So how did they, Rahul, I'll just take 5 seconds. No, I'll just take 5 seconds, Rahul, on your statement that Rahul did not say that. If Rahul meant, just a second,
मेरा समय मत लीजिए अब. इन्होंने जो कह दिया या मुझे बोलने दीजिए राहुल का.
नहीं आपका नहीं ले रहा. रुकिए Rahul is the anchor.
Rahul, okay, 1 second, Dr. Patra, you've spoken. Now let's listen to Pawan Khera. I'm coming back to you. Whatever Pawan says, you'll have to counter. So let's listen to Pawan. I'll come back to you. Pawan Khera.
Okay.
अरे आप संबित पात्रा जी 20 जवान निहत्थे आपने वहां भेज दिए, वो शहीद हुए, और प्रधानमंत्री चीन को क्लीन चिट देते हैं, कहते हैं यहां कोई आया ही नहीं।